guys, welcome to Harshini Roshini Prabhu. Today is a very kind of bad day in Chennai, Ambattur. You've seen my last video that in Villapuram there was lots of thunder. I've uploaded that video, but this time in Chennai. Oh dear, so bad. It's so much rain, guys. So much rain. I don't know what to do. Out my friend is waiting out there. That little guy is here. Hi. Hi. Don't take my pen. Gimme. Can I keep this in? Dead pencil. Yeah? See, there's so much rain. There's so much rain. We covered the birds, so there's no rain. Hello, Cupcake. Hello, Bluey. Are you okay? You are enjoying the weather, aren't you? You have your own air conditioner of the wind. Yes, okay, get cold up. Oh, it's such a nice view, but it's raining still. But you can't see because it's in the camera. But if it's in real life, you can like better see. Oh, Roshan, are you enjoying the rain? Yeah. My friend's house. Oh my God, Roshan's shoes here. Some things are here in the shoes. You're right. Lots of shoes are there, by the way. Don't know what to do. Just boring. She's uploading a video as well. Close the store. The plants, oh my God, they're enjoying. Okay. Hi. Look at my. Hi guys. Jesus Christ. Okay. Guys, see these plants? Oh my God, so many ants. But I'm not scared of ants here right now. Okay. I'm not scared that much. Are you enjoying my little plant? It's actually a watermelon, guys. Literally, it's a watermelon. I don't know why it's kind of. Okay. So, Jesus. Okay. See this plant? I'll take my other plant and show you if you want. Yeah, it's just sticking here. This plant is long. See this? Too long. This one. This is too tall. This is too long. Because they're enjoying the rain every year. Yeah, they're enjoying the rain every year. Catch my eyes. Okay, these are my eyes. Got it? These are my eyes, okay? These are my eyes. These are my nose. This is my mouth. Just me. Guys, I'm so boring right now. Something gone in my hair. Hi, bye, guys. Okay. So boring. Let's figure out one thing to do. Okay. Why not we just clean this TV cabinet? Hi. Get up. Okay. Once again. Just not. Dun dun dun. Okay, my little adorable panda. It's not there. It's charging out there. Guys, one more thing to say. Okay. No money. Okay. Ah, I bet me. Back to purple life again, guys. Now you can see full purple, guys. Yes. The next color. Purple. Purple and white and pink. They're mixed of pure white. Hey, let's go. Okay, guys, but if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and bye, guys. See you in the next video.